Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Toyota Tundra. First, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly for accurate results. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape to complete this task. This preparation ensures a precise and effective adjustment process for optimal visibility. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Transfer these measurements to the wall, marking them clearly with tape or a pencil. Then, draw a horizontal line 2 inches below these center marks. This lower line will serve as your target for the adjusted low beam cutoff, preventing glare for oncoming drivers. Now, open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. There's typically one for vertical and one for horizontal alignment. Turn the screws to move the low beam cutoff until it aligns with the lower line you marked on the wall. Adjust one headlight completely before moving to the other, covering the non-adjusted light. After adjusting both headlights, double-check that the low beam cutoff is precisely on your marked line. Ensure your high beams also project correctly. Take your Toyota Tundra for a short drive at night to confirm optimal visibility and that your headlights aren't causing glare for other drivers. Proper adjustment significantly improves safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.